The Samsung Galaxy S25 series has arrived, redefining what we can expect from a flagship smartphone. With every generation, Samsung has pushed the boundaries, and the S25 series is no exception. Let's dive deep into what makes this lineup stand out, exploring its cutting-edge features, stunning design, and game-changing performance. Starting with the design, the Galaxy S25 series maintains Samsung's signature premium aesthetics while introducing subtle refinements. The lineup features an aerospace-grade titanium frame, providing unmatched durability without adding unnecessary weight. The front showcases an edge-to-edge dynamic AMOLED X2 display with slimmer bezels and a centralized hole-punch camera. The 6.8-inch HD Plus display on the Ultra model delivers a refresh rate that dynamically adjusts from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, offering buttery-smooth interactions and energy efficiency. With a peak brightness of 2500 nits, outdoor visibility is unparalleled even in direct sunlight. Under the hood, the S25 series debuts the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a 3M process. This powerhouse processor delivers a significant leap in performance and energy efficiency, ensuring seamless multitasking and top-tier gaming experiences. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, the devices handle demanding tasks with ease. Storage options now begin at 256 GB, with UFS 4.1 technology ensuring lightning-fast read-and-write speeds. Samsung's commitment to performance extends to software, with One UI 7.0 enhancing productivity and personalization. The camera system of the S25 Ultra is where the magic truly happens. Samsung has equipped it with a 200MP ISO-CELA5 sensor, which captures astonishing levels of detail and dynamic range. Low-light photography gets a massive boost with advanced pixel bitting technology, producing sharper, more vibrant images. The 12MP ultra-wide sensor and dual telephoto lenses with up to 10x optical zoom make this device a photography powerhouse. Video capabilities are equally impressive, with 8K recording at 30 fps and enhanced stabilization, making every shot look cinematic. Battery life is another highlight thanks to a 5500 mAh battery in the Ultra model. Coupled with the energy efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite and adaptive refresh rates, the S25 series offers all-day performance and then some. Charging speeds have also improved, with support for 65V wired and 45V wireless charging, ensuring you're never tethered to an outlet for long. Samsung hasn't overlooked the software experience. One UI 7.0 introduces a host of features, including enhanced widgets, deeper AI integration, and a focus mode that adapts to your daily routine. The integration of Samsung DeX has been refined, offering a near-desktop experience with better app scaling and multitasking capabilities. The devices ship with Android 15, promising at least 4 years of major updates and 5 years of security patches, keeping them future-proof. Security remains a top priority with an upgraded ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and Samsung Knox Vault ensuring your data stays protected. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 7, ultra-wideband, UWB technology, and improved 5G capabilities, making the S25 series ready for the future of communication. While the Ultra model steals the spotlight, the base S25 and S25 Plus models are no slouches. They retain many of the flagship features, such as the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, stunning displays, and excellent camera performance, albeit with slight downgrades in certain areas like zoom capabilities and battery size. This ensures there's a Galaxy S25 for every type of user. The pricing reflects the premium nature of these devices, with the Galaxy S25 starting at $899, the S25 Plus at $1,099, and the S25 Ultra at $1,299. While these price points are steep, the features and performance they'd offer make them worthy investments for tech enthusiasts and power users alike. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series sets a new benchmark for smartphones. From its groundbreaking performance and innovative features to its sleek design and robust build, it's clear that Samsung is leading the charge in the mobile industry. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a productivity powerhouse, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the S25 series has something for everyone. Stay tuned for our detailed comparisons with competitors and real-world performance tests. This is the flagship to beat in 2025.